Kynhun bakli do jang ka UNICEF kala banyak kendu Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Meghalaya konrat ke sang mahasit guest house. Pan bishar banya ke jing trelang ki badangnya chakma dah ki benta jang ka kot ke kia jang ki khna ki jing bam tei met ki jing raba ki jing sumai ki long me ka jing ki tiyo ki samla. Hapo ka jing trelang ka ne ka Kynhun ka lapan paw ki jing shisha ba ki lalap na ka jing le jingo ka ba arsi ha boro ko ka Jylla Meghalaya ba ki la ai khub le ka jing thumu jang ka sarkar Jylla ki barit pa ki ba thumu ban pan bha ki jing ai dawai ka rukam bam ba tei met Pagajing sumari ki long me. We have officer jang ka UNICEF ulong ba ka Meghalaya kadang peni ka jing alam ka baskem. Haka roy ka par ka bay day ba ki kanaling ba ka rukom senchar pa ba ka bay shimantalang ba ki shnong ki tao.
With us and we also told about the kind of institutional mechanism that have been brought in to do this, like how actually we are able to bring different in fact programs together, bringing that entire collaborative framework and removing that interdepartmental functioning to bringing them.
Places I've seen there are women, and women speaking for women is very powerful. So this whole community engagement piece, two things. One is the capability of the village health committees, councils. And second thing is a certain risk lens in village planning. Because the districts told us